You look so pretty.
Are you sitting like that, huh? Huh? Are you waiting for me? You're so cute. Today I'm gonna wear those. Oh, I'm also bringing this to school because I need to do my work on it, so we're doing that. Here's the fit. Hi!
Hello! I woke up in the night again.
Why?
Unable to breathe.
Oh no.
From dehydration. I ran down the stairs to get water. I had to put a blanket on and run down the stairs. Just ran right back up and I swallowed and it burnt. Oh. That's my story for the night. Oh boy. Today is a good day because I found Cheetos in my backpack that I forgot about. Fuck. So that's happening at lunchtime.
What time is it?
It is 7:13.
This is very dangerous. We should at least have a delay. But no. I'm literally gonna fall on my ass. Late to school because somebody didn't freaking plow. They extended homeroom. There's actually like no one in the halls right now. I'm going to get my breakfast sandwich and I'm really excited. Thank you. It's my free block of the second semester. My first free block of the second semester. I got this. So I figured I should do like a highlight of my week and what happens in my week. Put this video out, let's say Friday, starting with today, Tuesday, till Friday, because I didn't have school yesterday. So it's kind of like what happens in my week. So since I'm like deathly bored, I'm just gonna like play some songs off my Spotify. So I made a playlist. It's called New Finds because I've been listening to the same music for the past like 3 years. So I wanted to find like something new to listen to. Besides, like, the same 3 Mitski songs over and over again. Yeah. Well, this one's called Sorry. This is by Peachy and Shiloh. It's really cool. Ooh, and then Bay Faction. There's a song called You're My Bug. So yeah, that's that one. There's Air Quality by, I don't know how to say the freaking like artist name. It's like Bartolomeo. So that's that one. Oh, this one's called Tinder Song by Victor in all caps with an exclamation point.
Sometimes I find myself thinking of you. Then I feel stupid, but what can I do?
It's also kind of sad because it reminds me of this person, but we're not going to get into that. Oh, this song is called Come Around by Kiana with 2 exclamation points. Kind of reminds me of Claro. It's really pretty.
His girlfriend, I should just leave it. I know I'm being selfish.
Cops not here, put a blood.
Sorry, I'm trying to find other ones. Ooh, Nobody's Home by Gnash.
I'm all alone. Guess I'll just sit here and stare. I'm on my own. I didn't know it was lonely too. I love to be alone.
All right, so those are some of my like favorite ones. I don't know what else to say. So
A few months.
it's time for lunch. Hello. Say hi.
I watched your video. Oh my god, is this another video?
I got yelled at for eating in a practice room. I was like, bruh. I have Dylan's phone in here. He'd be like, no! You want this?
Yes.
No, you're getting it. He's okay.
You guys don't dare.
Alright, fine, you can have it.
Air Force One.
You ready?
Yes.
I told the witch doctor.
Disgusting! You're like emerging from my head. In the dark. Haha, bitch, I messed it up. What are you doing?
Circle of sevenths. So, C to B flat to G. Wait.
C to B flat to G flat to F sharp.
Shut the fuck up. Eli's telling me to shut up. Is that rude?
It's justified. Wait a minute. But
Stop, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
But G flat is the same thing as F sharp. I just peed.
Oh, hold up, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Go to Marcus.
Go to Marcus! Go to Marcus!
We got the J.W. Anderson Converse. These costed me a week of crying so my parents would buy them. These socks. I think they're my younger brother's.
Nice hair on your legs. Hairy legs. Yummy.
This hair on my leg, priceless.
Damn.
These pants, I told my parents I'd get better grades next term. This belt, Christmas. This shirt, I held my younger brother up for ransom. This flannel, Gap, like $15. This hat, yeah, I stole it.
Did you actually?
What?
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Pose for the finish.
Oh, what?
Do it.
My pen died.
Do it. Dibs. Now you have to.
No, that's not.
Dib-
But dibs, that's
No balls.
No balls. Okay, now you have to. You literally look like Flat Stanley.
Wait, no, I just. Did you?
That was.
6. Fuck. Freak.
I was going to give her mom's debit card to her because she accidentally took it. Look at her go. Sissy that walk. She's coming back.
Oh, it's freezing.
Augie was in the car. Almost just fell.
Going back again into the chorus room.
Screw this. Hi. So, I took my acrylics off and I painted my nails. The reason why I'm whispering is because I broke my door a while ago. Don't ask me how. But, I kind of just like have a curtain in the place of my door. So that's why I'm whispering. I'm sorry I'm doing this. I really want to show my nails off. They're so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep. Good night.
No, I don't want to see your teeth whitening strips.
Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus.
So I'm supposed to be making a collage for my creative writing class. So there was me, Pretty cool. Then there's picture of me and Bella when we were really little. Cute. There's Mitski. Me and Bella again. Rocky Horror Picture Show record, because it's my favorite movie. Mitski again. Playbill, because theater. Mitski again. And that's it. I'm gonna use magazines later, because like that's like the old hi band's on the other room. I'm gonna use magazines later to get more pictures and make my collage more diverse, you know. Go to Marcus.
West Covina, California. People dine at Shea Applebee, and the sky seems to smile at me. To be clear, I didn't move here for Josh, I just needed a change. Cause to move here for Josh, now that'd be strange. Yes, I heard of West Covina from Josh, but I didn't move here because of Josh. Do you get the things are different?
No, I'm English.
In the end, days based on different days. I am not having a nervous West Covina, California. West Covina, California. This guy Josh just happens to be
Minion thermos.
Then I'm really gonna be okay. Hey, not giving up today. No matter what.
Bella. Lola.
I need to.
Ashley. Edie.
Hi.
Eating whatever the fuck
I don't freaking know what it is.
Happy birthday, Queen. Yeah. Bella, do your best Melania hello.
Hello.
This is like
Go to Marcus. That was so weird.
Just do
Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus.
angrily eating.
I want ice cream.
Want me to get it with you?
The snack line.
Oh, look who's here.
Cookies.
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 I'm vlogging. Say hi.
I want ice cream, that's why.
Come with us. Are you coming or what?
It's called the
Boboni's tongue.
And it goes like Bobo.
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 Bobo. You know.
Bobo.
Can you do
Hi, Edie.
Bobo.
Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus.
No. I'm trapped. Please save me. Go to Marcus.
Play Pictionary.
Alright, I'm gonna think of something.
Play Pictionary.
I am!
I want to play!
It's like.
Walrus.
Submarine.
A beetle. A guitar.
A rocket ship.
Like. It's like.
French soup.
No. It's a trumpet.
A rocket.
Oh!
How was that a trumpet?
Keys up here and then like the thing
Oh.
and the noise. Yes.
You suck at art, dude.
Alright.
Utah.
Mexico.
Yes.
Oh my god. I was just
That was really
kidding.
good.
I said Utah.
And then this is what we need at a wall. You don't want. Anyways.
These chips, they're really
Yeah,
good.
one.
Yeah, do you want one?
What flavor are they?
Salt and
I love
vinegar.
salt and vinegar.
Thanks, pal.
The bubble used to be like.
Bobo. We're in dunks.
Yes.
Behind your back, is that what you're saying? Yes.
It's been a day.
Eli's in the other room. He's playing a saxophone. And it sounds really good.
Hi, Chris.
Oh, no, stop, I'm fat.
You what?
I said no, stop, I'm fat.
What's your SIP project about?
I'm working with town administrator, working on civic engagement and the power of voting. Get out and vote.
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 Hi, Carolyn.
Hey guys, I'm a huge fan of Chloe. I love her work.
Subscribe to Caroline and me. I'm a style boy. Me and Dylan were cracking up about what if that guy Jorgen from the Fairly Odd Parents was British. He did ASMR and he's like, oh, I'm British.
How could you go and tell I was British?
I'm fucking British. My teeth.
Like set off a nail bomb with teeth in it.
British ASMR.
Poor Will's just trying to do his cam. Alright, so I'm home and I just want to show you how bad it's raining out.
What? What? Lefty.
Okay, so I want a grilled cheese.
It's so windy. I'm so scared. Do you like the wind?
No, I don't like it.
Hey, you want to eat?
My other cat doesn't come downstairs because she only lets my mom feed her. Ooh, the microwave went off.
Yeah, you go sleep, boy.
Gotta wash my hands.
Ah, no! Cheese came out.
We're done! I literally can't believe it looks like this outside. That's insane. Here's my grilled cheese. Bon appetit.
The season finale of The Good Place is on in about 8 minutes. I'm so excited. I love Kristen Bell so much. But I'm sad, because I have to wait 8 months for the 4th season to come out. That makes me really sad. I don't know if I can just not seeing Kristen Bell's face for that long, you know? Slideshow of me crying to The Good Place finale. Don't do it.
Even you. I am not even scared to get rebooted because
No, don't do it. There's a fucking commercial break. Where we headed?
I don't have a vote, but if I were on the committee, I think my bar.
Adams! It's my free block, and I want to show you my project for creative writing, because I finished it last night, and it looks really good. Here it is. I really like it. I'm really, really proud of it. And then here's the back. Pretty much what the project entailed was we had to pick out stuff that inspires us to write. Right here is being thankful, family, stress, pain, ideas, style, you can read. And then there's me. I love it. So on the back, I had to put in a writing sample. I put in my Emerson College essay, a piece of it, and I had to have a why I write statement. I'm gonna read it because I'm really proud of it. I write to learn from my mistakes, to release any anxiety I have, and take what I've learned and progress as a human being. I believe that when I write, I am able to make a change and use my words thoughtfully and individualistically to exemplify my own creativity and what it is worth to me. I'll be here all night, folks. So I just showered, and I kind of want to do a face mask. I need a headband. This is so cute. It reminds me of my friend Mary Kate. I did Peter Pan with her. She's awesome. Oh, I forgot to put in I put this in after I shower. It's like a leave-in conditioner. It's really good. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. My hair is getting so long. I'm using this one. Today was a great day, and this is a good way to end the day. So I'm really happy. Tomorrow, I'm going to a drama festival with my drama class and performing a 15-minute short play called Soap Opera. And it's about a guy who falls in love with a washing machine. He calls himself the Maypole repairman because the type of washing machine he has is a Maypole washing machine, the ocean, IT-40. And in the end, they don't end up together, but plot twist, maybe it's for the best. This looks like Friday movie, the Friday the 13th. Why did I not know that? Subscribe.